Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Cooker in Japan. Today I want to show you something that's going to save you a massive amount of time. If you've ever hired someone, you know the struggle going through every application and cover letter. It can take hours, sometimes even days.
Oh yes, I can imagine how hard it is for HRs and also for small companies that are trying to hire more staffs.
Yeah, that's right, Naruto. But if I told you we could build a system that does the heavy lifting for us, a system that uses AI to read cover letters, give you a quick summary, and automatically classify candidates. And the best part, we'll do it all for free with tools you already use: Google Forms, Google Sheets, and the magic of Gemini. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. We need a way to collect applications. A simple Google form is perfect. I've created one here with the essential fields: full name, email address, position, applied for, and most importantly, a cover letter field set to the paragraph style. Now the best feature of Google Forms is in the Responses tab. When you click this little green icon, it links your form directly to a Google Sheet. And just like that, all our application data is neatly organized.
This part is very easy. Creating a form is super simple.
Yeah, super easy. To get our AI assistant working, we just need to add their new columns for it to use. I call them Gemini summary, candidate classification, and email sent. Our script will fill these in for us later. Before we get the code, we need to create the actual emails our assistant will send. Here in Gmail, you can save email templates. I'm creating two. One is a polite rejection, and the other is an invitation for an interview. I'm using placeholders like candidate name and job title, so our script can personalize each email automatically.
This is the part you showed in the Gmail updates.
Yeah.
I haven't imagined that we could use the templates like this.
Yeah, true. Everything starts with imagination. I save these with clear names like hiring, rejection, and hiring interview invite. Now our spreadsheet is ready, and our emails are ready. It's time for the exciting part. Let's bring in the AI.
Okay, now it feels like it will start getting harder, but Nishi, I do not understand anything about coding.
Don't worry, Naruto. The magic here is that we don't have to write a single line of code. We just need to explain our problem to Gemini in plain English, just like I'm talking to you. I'm going to paste in a prompt I prepared earlier. Watch this. I just asked it. So you don't need to make this prompt from zero by yourself. You can make a simple line and ask Gemini to brush it up too. Don't forget, you can ask anything to Gemini. And there we have it. Look at this. Gemini gave us the complete Google Apps script code. And just as we asked a simple guide on what to do next, it tells us exactly how to open the script editor and where to paste the code. It's like having a personal developer on call for free. Now we just follow the instructions.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see if it will really work.
Okay, back in our sheet, Gemini's guide says to go to extensions and then click app script. Now I'll go back to Gemini, click the copy button on the code it gave us, and paste it right here. There's only one thing we need to add ourselves: our Gemini API key. Gemini's guide explains how to get one for free from Google AI Studio. You just create a key and paste it here into the configuration section. Perfect. Let's save the project. The final step is to create a trigger so the script runs automatically. The guide tells us to click the triggers icon on the left. I'll click Add Trigger. I want my function to run automatically when someone submits the form. So I set the event type on form submit. Then I'll click save. It will ask for permission the first time. That's totally normal. Just approve them. And that's it. Our AI hiring assistant is officially live. It's time for the moment of truth. I'm going to fill out the form as a fictional applicant, applying for a marketing specialist role. Okay, let's watch the sheet. The application just popped in. Now give it a few seconds. The script is running, sending the cover letter to Gemini for analysis, and boom! Look at that. Gemini summary. Clam just filled in with key points from her cover letter. Wow! The candidate classification says good fit, and the email sent. Clam confirms that an email has been sent. How cool is that?
No way. We made it. We really didn't code anything. Even when we got some errors on the way, we simply screenshot the error and sent to Gemini. It answered it all.
And here it is, the personalized email to the applicant, referencing the exact role she applied for. It's all working perfectly, completely on autopilot. So with the simple prompt to Gemini, we built an AI-powered system that reads applications, summarizes them, and contacts the candidate, all without writing a single line of code.
I was not believing we will make it happen. That's amazing.
Yeah, this is a little tool that can save you so much time and effort. Imagine what else you could build with this. You could automate customer feedback, process online orders, anything you can imagine. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time. See you next time. See you next